So that brings us to the third class of the kidney. In this, I'll be concentrating more on the tumors. We have earlier seen the glomerular diseases and tubular diseases. Now, what are the tumors? And when I say tumors, that can be for anything. I would like you people to kindly see the classification. It is not very difficult. There can be a benign tumor and a malignant tumor. RCC and Wilms tumor are repeatedly asked questions. And there are other terminologies also. I have mentioned that so that you don't get confused when you get a question. Gravid's tumor, for example, hypernephroma, etc. So these things will be there. And when it comes to the tumors again, there are certain things which you people will have to know. There is a gross picture, microscopic picture. Supposing the question is carrying 10 marks, 4 and 4 will be allotted for these alone. Then what about clinical features and spread can be 1 mark. And the etiology and other things, genetic, etc., maybe 1 or 2 marks. Not more than that. What students usually do is they by heart the gene, etc., and then finally, when it comes to the description, they fumble. This can be kept as a short note, given as a short note, specimen for viva or it can be a specimen for description. So I should know all these conditions in the kidney. Kindly go back to your college and find out what is given. Coming back to the renal cell carcinoma, I'll just give you an example. It is unilateral, unipolar. Usually, the individual will be 50 to 60 years of age. And you find that there will be a variegated appearance. When you cut it, there is a variation. The external surface can be bosselated. You find variegated appearance can be because of necrosis, black in color, hemorrhage, red in color. And there can be areas of fat giving it an yellowish color, and so on and so forth. There can be a pseudocapsule that is over there. The tumor may extend beyond that. And one of the modes of spread can be the renal vein into the inferior vena cava. It can go up to the right side of the heart. One of the complications is polycythemia. The other is pyrexia. So this was exactly the answer that I gave when I was a second-year student at the Kilpauk Medical College, Chennai. So I would like you people to read it thus. So Wilms tumor means it's a blastemal tumor. And what will be the thing? The gross picture. There can be a swelling of the abdomen, a flank mass. And the mother will be the first person to identify. It will be somewhat fleshy and it bulges above the cut surface. Being a blastemal means immature. So what are the immature? Immature glomeruli can be there. Immature tubules can be there. And immature stromal cells can be there. There can also be the other components such as the rhabdoid elements, etc. So this one I would like you people to kindly read up. Repeatedly ask questions and what is the genetic abnormality also that will be given. I would like you people to definitely mention it. You will score a mark and it can be given as an MCQ. The other questions we people should be known. Just for the sake of completion, if we go to the urinary bladder, there will be only one thing that will be asked. That will be the transitional cell carcinoma. In the urinary bladder, you find that it will be a sea anemone-like appearance and they will be floating in a sea of urine. It can be different types. It can be an exophytic growth or it can be an infiltrating type of growth that is given. The papillary type or it can be an infiltrating type of transitional cell carcinoma. And you will have to grade it. Grade 1, 2, 3, etc. are given. I would like you people to kindly go through. Now it is called a urothelial carcinoma. Those are all different. What are the causes, etc. you people should be knowing. Azodides, for example. You find that they are being synthesized or they are being metabolized in the liver, but then they are reactivated in the bladder, they will be leading to the bladder cancer. So such things. See where the connection is. It is being connected to the chemical carcinogens. So this kind of a reading I would like you people to kindly see. So the questions are given over here. Granular contracted kidney, there will be a box. Again, read that up. End stage is almost similar. Hypertension, what are the different types? IgA nephropathy, immunological, and what are the organs that can be affected? Vasculitis is over. And these are the various changes of this nephrotic syndrome. I would like you people to kindly go through urine read as a theory essay question. Otherwise, you lose mark in the practicals as well as a show. Good day, good luck.